welcome back to my channel. So it is time finally for my makeup routine video. I know it's one of the most requested videos on my channel, and trust me guys, more than you guys wanted to watch it, I wanted to do it, and I tried it so many times. I tried to shoot it once and I lost the data. The second time I tried it, there was something wrong with the camera. The third time, the camera person had an issue, so something or the other kept happening and it was just not happening. And finally, I'm super glad that I've shot this video, and fingers crossed this will go up. And I'm going to be showing you guys the look that I've done today. It is something that I do on regular basis. Mind you guys, I am not a pro at this makeup. I do make mistakes because I've never learned makeup. Everything that I do is what I see on YouTube. The products that I use are mostly seen on people who are doing it on YouTube. So it's just self-learned, and there are still a lot of things that I don't do perfectly, especially with my eyes. I feel like there's so much more that I need to learn. And yeah, so this is just what I do, and I hope you guys like it. So let's just get started. First thing first, that is my moisturizer. This is a Nutregena one. I've been using it since Dolce's wedding, that is since February, and it is just perfect. It's almost over now. I need to get a new one. Post this, I do my lip balm. This one is from Descent, that is a hot chocolate flavor. Once I'm done with moisturizing my skin, I use this primer, that is the Porefessional from Benefit. I'm so sure you would have heard about it from every single blogger, YouTuber on the planet talking about this product. It is literally that good. So I just use very little of it in the areas that I feel that I do have pores. Usually what people do is they put their foundation and then conceal their under eyes or whatever it is needed, but I prefer it to be first conceal. Like I need to conceal a few of the acne scars that I do have. So this one is LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition. It is again a very popular product among all the YouTubers and the bloggers. That's where I discovered it, and I've been using it since very long. It's available on NYK if you guys want it. I'll put down the link below. So then I'll just pick up the excess of the concealer that I've put with the damp blender. Moving on to my foundation. This is the one that I'm using. This one's from Bobbi Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation. This is my newly found love. I've been using it only for a month now, but it's just amazing. It's super light, it doesn't feel like anything on the skin, and it smells really good as well. It smells a little Ayurvedic, I don't know why, but I have never found any other Bobbi Brown product to be smelling like this, but this product is, and that's really nice. So I'm just gonna blend all of this. Remember guys, do not rub, only and only blend. So once I'm done with setting down my foundation, it's time for another concealer for my under eye and a little pigmented area. So this concealer is from Nars. I've already talked to you guys about it in one of my favorites video. It is really nice, and of course your concealers are supposed to be one shade lighter, 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation base. So that's what it is. And then again guys, just blend. Now that I'm done with my base, I'll do a little bit of contouring. On regular basis, I don't do much. I just do a little bit on my nose. So it's basically starting from the tip of your eyebrows to your nose, as close as you can keep it to be. If you keep it wide, your nose will look really big. So do make sure that these two lines are very close to each other, and then just blend. This one is from NYX. I bought it from NYK again online. Now it is time to set the whole makeup. So I'll be using this translucent powder from Mercier. It is a really magical product. That's what I think. Especially when I'm doing heavy makeup. For the light makeup, it's still fine, but when I do heavy makeup, parties, and then I use this, it's just great. I just rubbed a little and kept it for a while, for some 10-15 seconds, and now I'll just remove the excess of the powder. And now it is time for my my lip color. It's a very beautiful peachy blush pink. And now it is time for a little bit of blush. I like my cheeks to be pinky, even on a regular basis. This one is from Nars. This was Dolce's bridal makeup kit and I just stole it from that one. A little bit of highlighter. I use this fan brush for it, and not too gold, not too silver, a little minimal silvery gold that I have from this palette that is half broken. I've used it so much. This is from NYX and a very subtle dab of it. And a bit on my nose. Eyebrows and eyes, I usually use this one that is from Benefit, but I've just gotten over with this one, so I'm using this one that I ordered a very long back that is from NYK and is a NYK product. This is Brow Chica Wow Eyebrow Pencil in Coven Cocoa. Now moving on to my eyes, I will be doing a little bit of concealer. Although guys, you don't really need an eye concealer or eye makeup base on a regular basis, but because I bought it, I have to. You can use any other concealer, the usual ones that I use. But because I bought it, it's for some 900 rupees, it's from NYK, and I was like, I have to use it if I bought it. This surely provides you a very nice base for your eye makeup, but I think you don't really need to spend on an eye-based concealer. A regular concealer like this also would work. Now putting the eyeshadow, I don't like to keep it very harsh with colors. I just do a little bit of very subtle rose gold or pinky tones. I am just going to do that right now as well. Eyes because I don't want it to pop out blank with the whole face done quite well. So yeah, I just do it and blend, and it's very minimal. I don't even know if you guys can see it on camera. And this one is the Blush Nudes Maybelline palette. Although this is not a very pigmented palette, you have to use a lot of the product, but I've been using it for a while and I like how the shade is very neutral. That's why I use this one. Part of it, and my favorite, that is mascara. I just curl it with this rose gold curler that I have. I think I bought it from Forever 21. So you just put your eyelash in it, hold, and there you go, it's done. So the mascara that I'm going to use is this Maybelline the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof one. Although I'm not very particular about the mascara that I use, I have bought a lot of it though, but I just use whichever I get in my hands first. So you see how what mascara does is it just instantly opens up your eyes a little more. If you see the difference, this one is of course looking a little better. So I'll just do it to both my eyes now. So guys, that was about this makeup look. I hope you guys liked it and I hope it helps you guys, because when I was starting out, such videos really helped me out and I wanted to do the same to you guys. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel guys. 50,000 we've already reached. We gotta reach 100,000 subscribers for a house tour video. And yeah, that was about it from my side, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!